Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this short tutorial, I'll quickly show you how to use dual apps feature on your Itel A200 Plus device. Just follow the steps shown in this video to run two accounts of the same app. If this video helps you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started.